Okay, so here we are 2 weeks past Powertour. Kind of gotten away from the car. Haven't really driven it because I have those issues. I had the check engine light that was on, which you guys saw in yesterday's video. I got that fixed. And I got the exhaust taken care of. But today's video I wanted to walk around and show you anything that might have come up from Powertour. You might have it on your car. Might have it come up on a 4,000 to 5,000 mile road trip that you put on in a week. Just anything. But I'm going to go through and show you any of the dents and dings and scratches and oddball things that happened to the 1995 Chevrolet Impala SS on Powertour. Also, I'm going to go ahead and clean this up because I still have all my tools and everything in the back, and well, you know, it's time to start getting back into wrenching on it. Let's go ahead and start in the trunk where pulled my luggage out, pulled the grill out. I was like, meh, it's enough for right now. Well, we kind of got a little bit of everything left in here still flowing. Side panels are holding up. Impressed with that. And this side, doing all right. But yeah, folding chairs, dirt, grime, just kind of in here. I don't know if it's a subconscious thing of, hey, you might be going on another trip here very soon, and you might need all this stuff that you don't unpack it, or you're just lazy. I think it's because I'm lazy. Yeah, there's the Freon stuff that we picked up from Walmart. There's my coffee cup from still 2 weeks ago. Blower motor still in there. Yeah, I just kind of want to get this stuff out of here. I don't like having propane tanks in the trunk when it's hot out because, you know, stuff happens. So I'm going to go ahead and clean all this stuff up, put it away, get it where it needs to, trash if need be. Yeah, so there's a trunk. Let's go ahead and move on to the interior side of things. So Christopher sat this side mostly, and it was right behind me. Got some blankets and towels still in there. But as I sit in here, kind of what I expected to happen. Plastic piece, fall over, broke. Same as on that side, so now we're matching. The little thing where that was tucked in is good, but dirt. We got a lot of dirt in here. I mean, it happens, but we'll just have to go through and do another interior cleaning. Other than that, panels held up. Back, we got nothing up there, just some towels and some bugs. Bugs tend to fly in from when you roll the windows down, and they always get back in this upper deck here, and they tend to just stay up there. I did notice this little mark now here. Hopefully that'll kind of polish off, buff off with some elbow grease. If not, oh well. Yeah, a little bit of crumbs and grit everywhere because we were eating inside the car, but to be expected. Door panels. We went through a lot of rain. Always collect dirt, grime all through here. So those are going to have to be re-cleaned out. Also, dirt always collects inside these little doodabbers down here, but most of the time it falls off, but it'll plug up. So probably get a pressure washer. Clean that off. What the heck is that loose for? Probably should, I don't know. That's loose. All right. Fix that. Oh, my rubber finally fell off. There was a little boop for the light switch. That's gone. All right. Cool. Don't know if it's needed, but whatever. I did struggle with my window because I still had the shark fin issue with this one window. The other three are fine. I fixed them. But it kind of matted the rubber up in here, as you can see, and I don't really like that. So come on, guy, fix your window. But do that soon. There's some more of the grit and grime all through there. Kind of went off-roading a little bit. My seat, captain's side, got a whole bunch of sand and dirt and whatever. Luckily, when we were in Pensacola, the beach sand is white, so you can't really tell with the gray carpet. That's nice. But when it gets on the mat, you can definitely tell, just because the way it is. In here, nothing with the door panel. Dash got dirty, to be expected. Passenger side, just same dirt, grit, grime. No, nothing with the door panels, nothing with the seats. My seat hole still is there. Nothing's changed with that. A couple other little wrinkles there in the seat, but yeah, I'll take care of that here. So yeah, let's move on to under the hood. So the only time I really focused on cleaning out the engine compartment, don't mind my fuel rail covers missing. I still haven't put them on for my yesterday's video. But the only time I actually cleaned out underneath here was in Memphis. Took to the pressure washer and had all the bug guts and stuff on the front, and they were all the teeth of the grill. You can still kind of see them, but pressure washed that, got it taken care of. But whew, it accumulated a ton of dirt on the radiator support, all in there. It's dirty, 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 dirty girl. So I haven't cleaned it. I'll clean it out here soon. We had the little oil leak out of here. It looked like it kind of gummed it up over here, so we'll have to get in there, clean all that out. All in all, though, not bad. Less power steering fluid, because that was one of the issues we had. It's full. Had some pressure, you can tell, but yeah, we'll have to suck on that and get that swished out. All in all, hood liner held up. I think these tabs, I don't really like how those are not secured. And it's getting underneath the plastic tab. Might have to upgrade and get some really big ones. This side's doing pretty well. Did notice where my air filter met. It's right there. Might have to notch this out so it doesn't shred all apart and rip the rest of it like it did in my last one. Yeah, there's the engine compartment. Dirty, ready for cleaning, which is good because I like cleaning, detailing this car out. Plus, we may or may not have a couple car shows coming up, so chop, chop, lollipop. On the grill here, one thing I do want to fix, and I'm going to fix recently, is this backside bolt broke off. It was fixed before, glued it. You can see in there it's broke. So I'll have to put some kind of a fix on there. These nuts are basically kind of just like a, I don't know, they're a nut, and then they just go on the steel or the plastic and they self-thread. But the ends, they always break off. You remove the grill. This side's pretty sure that one's gone too. Yeah, that one's gone too. Top side's got them up there, and then you have these little Torx nuts to remove to get the grill out. But Bumblebee Tuna, I did take a rock right here. Boom! I believe. Yeah, you see it's broke. So maybe fix that, put a SS badge or something over there. I don't know, do something, update it. Also, the bottom part here on the grill started rubbing a lot more on the bumper right here, a lot more. So we'll have to do something. You can see it's loose, whether it's just push clip or something, but it was rubbing. So that's an adjustment that have to be made. So move to the exterior. Nothing's really changed. That headlight seems to have adjusted in. I don't know if I didn't tighten it up enough, but bottom gap here doesn't look right to me. So or maybe the rubber moved. That's more plausible. Nope, headlights loose, so we're gonna have to tighten those up, see why that happened. Passenger side, same thing. This one kind of got in the corner there and was wearing. You can see it's worn, so we'll have to adjust that. No new rock chips, thankfully. Nope, I lied. There's one right there. Nope, it was just a piece of dust or something. So yeah, no new rock chips on the front. Tires, you can see cruising at highway speeds. My wheel bearing juice decided to come out, which is fine. That's what it's there for. Brakes, they held up, doing all right. I do want to, I think, get in here and sand those down and make them look a little bit prettier because the rust is kind of on the hub part, but minor details. We did decide to start accumulating something over there. I don't know what that is, if I ran something over or constant splashing. Can you zoom in and get in there? There we go. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's just mud. Maybe it'll wash out. Rest of the car as we walk around. Got a new scratch right there on the door. No big deal. These ones, they were there. Yeah. Everything else pretty solid. What about the trunk? Trunk's fine. No new dents on it from slamming it. Do have a paint correction thing I'm gonna do here. You can see this bubble. That really bothers me. So we're going to pull that spoiler off at some point and fix that. That guy was there, but we'll take care of it. No dents on the side. Our panels worked great. Yeah, rear wheels. May or may not have had some burnout rubber left on there. Don't know how that got on there. Oh man, is that a chip? Yep, got a chip back there. So that's there. We'll fix it. Other than that, this side seems to be a little bit more dirtier with the wheel bearing juice. But yeah, we're good. Another new chip. Nope, bird poop. Nope, chip. Chip. Yeah. So we need a good washing, good cleaning. Good cleaning. So as you guys know, problems that we had, check engine light came on, which got fixed yesterday. And as we were underneath it yesterday, the rear main seal started leaking more profusely. So it's getting to be a game time decision to see what we're going to do with that. Probably just ignore it. What I noticed happening was an excessive amount of oil coming out from underneath the car, and then the back side of the car started getting caked with oil. We did think that it was leaking from that filter and that cap, because that cap was missing the gasket, but my guess is it probably was a combination of both. So we're probably going to still lose oil if we decide to take this thing on a longer road trip, but not too terrible yet. Yeah. The other thing I noticed, let me get you in on this. Mentioned it. I believe we have a blown down shock. I'm perfectly level, as you can see, but the car is not. And I think either the shock or the spring is bad on the bottom side there. I'm gonna go with combination. We looked at it yesterday, didn't see much, but I didn't really get my nose in it to smell it. And yeah, we'll have to fix that. I'm gonna go through, clean this up, show you guys what she looks like when I'm done. And of course, I forgot about it till just now, but we had that coolant leak. Good news is there's no puddles or anything on the car, and it's been sitting here pretty much the last 2 weeks, so maybe it's self-healed. Doubtful. We'll have to figure that one out. Stop. Put her in park. So I got the inside all cleaned out of this thing. Time to wash her. I'm just gonna go through one of these touchless guys because I had to take her to work. But look at that water just feed off. And I didn't even Rain-X that. It's pretty. Well, yeah. Beautiful day for a drive in the Impala. Well, I don't know if you caught that or not there, but low coolant light keeps coming on and off. Just getting to work here, so smelled coolant when I had my window down. So we're definitely developing more of a leak, more and more and more. So that's gonna be fun. That's gonna be one of my next videos when I have to address it. Yeah, roadhouse off. Yep, now we're stopped and fully on. So let's go eyeball it. Definitely got a good smell coming off of it. Oh yeah. Right down there. Well, shucks. There's a culprit right there. Zigged when I should have zagged. Looks like we're coming out down the bottom of the radiator. Up a little bit. Huh. Well, not surprising, but radiator. Cool. Guess I'm just gonna have to monitor it at this point and go from there, but see how much they are. Alright, that's gonna wrap up this video. You can see, got her washed. Got a few more little nicks and stuff in the hood that we'll have to address at some point. Spick and span all shined up. We're cool. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you next time.